there's a point where strength stops being strength and becomes a prison. A point where resilience becomes self-destruction and emotional control turns into emotional suppression. Most people will never see that line, but Stoic men who pride themselves on calm, discipline, and composure cross it more often than they realize. Today, we're diving into the dark side of Stoicism. Not the philosophy itself, but the way modern men twist it into something rigid, unhealthy, and quietly damaging. If you want to stay strong without losing the ability to actually feel, connect, and protect your inner world, this video is for you. Part 1. When emotional control becomes emotional denial. Stoicism teaches you to manage emotions, not erase them. But many men take that concept and weaponize it against themselves. They stop speaking up. They stop expressing hurt. They stop acknowledging stress. They stop allowing themselves to feel anything that isn't acceptable. And at first, it looks like strength. People praise your calmness, your steadiness, your ability to stay unshaken. But inside, pressure slowly builds. Because every unspoken frustration, every swallowed fear, every ignored wound becomes a brick. And those bricks turn into walls. Walls that cut you off from others. Walls that cut you off from yourself. Stoicism doesn't ask you to kill your emotions. It asks you not to let them control you. There's a difference, and when you forget it, resilience becomes toxic. Part 2. When self-reliance turns into isolation. Stoicism values independence. But independence without vulnerability becomes loneliness. A lot of Stoic men adopt a silent vow. I don't need anyone. I'll handle everything myself. I won't burden people with my problems. But here's the hidden cost. When you never let anyone in, no one truly knows you. You become a fortress, impressive, silent, untouchable, and completely alone. Marcus Aurelius wrote that humans exist for each other. Even he, the most powerful man in the world, recognized the need for connection. If you pride yourself on never asking for help, that's not Stoicism. That's fear wearing armor. Part 3. When discipline becomes perfectionism. Discipline is a virtue, but discipline taken too far becomes a whip you use to punish yourself. You start believing, if I can't do it perfectly, I've failed. If I rest, I'm weak. If I slip once, I lack control. But that's not discipline, that's obsession. And it slowly drains your energy, joy, and mental flexibility. True Stoicism embraces human imperfection. It doesn't demand flawless execution. It demands effort. And when you forget that, you turn Stoicism into a cage you built for yourself. Part 4. When detachment becomes emotional numbness. Detachment is healthy. It allows you to see situations clearly, but extreme detachment makes you cold. You start feeling disconnected from relationships, achievements, and even your own life. Nothing excites you. Nothing bothers you. Nothing moves you. You become numb, unshaken, but also uninspired. Stoicism isn't meant to turn your heart into stone. It's meant to keep it steady, not empty. Part 5. Reclaiming the real Stoicism. The solution isn't to abandon Stoicism. It's to practice it correctly. Feel your emotions fully, then choose your response consciously. Ask for help when needed. Strength is shared, not hoarded. Be disciplined, but allow yourself to be human. Detach from outcomes, but stay present in life. Let calmness guide you, not isolate you. Real Stoicism isn't about being unbreakable. It's about being unshakably human. Final thoughts. If you're ready to build emotional strength without losing yourself, and you want more insights into Stoicism, psychology, and silent power, make sure to subscribe, drop a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Because mastering yourself is a journey, and you don't have to walk it alone.